Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Here we are at the end of the week. Having enjoyed a pretty good week. It's going pretty good. Good morning, Ataro. As a reminder to everybody, this is not financial advice. This is not a signal channel. I'm telling you what to do. All trades are taken at your own risk. I'm trading and talking. I should call it that, trading and talking. I may call it that from now on. Hey, Terry, good morning. Trading and talking with Robert. That's it. TT. TT. Trading and talking. It's been a great week, guys, and I'm not looking to make any false moves on Friday. So on Friday, I usually lower my lot size. I'm very cautious. I wait and wait and wait. This was gold last night. TTA members got about 37 pips out of the gold. I had a setup here. Broke resistance, went up 37 pips or so, retested nicely, then created resistance. If you were watching this, you could have caught the sell when it came back into the zone. Nice fake out on the 4 hour, guys. If you look at the 4 hour, nice fake out on the 4 hour. Stochastic RSI confirming. Pretty easy on the 4 hour. It's not the time frame that I teach on, but it was clean. Certainly could have played it off of the support, minor support that I had created. And once it broke it, it was game time. I mean, even if you entered down here, you still got a significant amount of pips for a win. Even if you entered way after it closed, that's 43 pips. Okay. So nice win. Morning, Reese. Terry says he's on the fake out of GA for the buy. Looks like he did good. Let me clean this up. Oh, I can't take out that trend line. That trend line is still holding. Let's look at G. 4 hour. Ooh, look at that rejection. Remember, guys, been talking about this. This is a bearish flag. So that's a good catch as a scalp, Terry. Personally, I wouldn't be holding that too long. Got the guy size at the bottom, 1 hour. Oh, nice jump from the 30-minute. If you caught that at the right moment, a little bounce from the trend line. It's already paid you good. 20 pips, 22 pips. It's under the 50. But it bounced on the 50. Okay, bounce on the 50 in the 1 hour. Nice. Okay. All right. So what does GA look like to me? looks like something like this. This is a significant level, right, guys? Bounce, went up, broke, retested, dropped, almost retested, dropped, came, rejected, went up above it, bounced, bouncing again. Important level. Another important level, right? This is on the 1 hour. Still shallow. That's an important trend line. Multiple touches, very strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at least. That's a good catch, Terry. Very good catch. I'll be waiting on the volume from New York, and on a day like Friday, I would assume, well, we do have a lot of news, don't we? We got a bunch of news at 8:30. Again, yellow folders, but there's a lot of them. So there'll be some reaction, perhaps. Or the Dixie really crashed. Those of you who know the double trend line, and with the 50 coming across, even more beautiful, breaks the inner trend line. Once it comes to the outer trend line, it perfectly did that yesterday. Excuse me. That could have helped anticipate the move up from gold. Oh, wow. I just realized gold broke a trend line, didn't it? You know, and I almost put this, I'm talking to the team. I almost put this up last night, the trend line that is. You know, from bodies, because I saw that. Body and then wick, you know. Almost did that. Didn't do that. Wish I had now. That was clean. But the move there, pretty clean, pretty clean. So what could the Dixie do today? Oops. I moved my mic so as to make it, the sound wouldn't be so close. The music wouldn't be so close to the mic. Is that making any difference? Can you guys tell? Ah, Terry. Good job, Terry. So yeah, head and shoulders on the I mean, it's not very well defined. It's a little more defined there. Yeah, head and shoulders on the Dixie. Levels to break if it's going up. Neckline. Let's go back to Terry's GA. I'm thinking GA is going to break with trend line, Terry. A lot of confluence there if it does. It'd be breaking the trend line, breaking the 50, breaking the zone. That's what it looks like. Don't mean that's what it'll do. Keep to your analysis, whatever it is. And I think gold getting ready for another drop. But I shouldn't say it's getting ready for another drop. It already did. Okay. Gold holding here at support. GU broke out last night nicely, with no retest, but it did break out nicely. I'm trying to figure out what to do next. Double top on GU, 4 hour. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, absolutely. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. Without any questions. Yes. Yeah, casual Friday. It's casual Friday today. Buenos días, Abby. Morning, Brandon. I was saying earlier, it's Friday. Not really looking to put too much at risk. It's been a good week. You don't want to end the week giving away your profits. No, 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 no. We don't do that. Take profit. You don't give it back. So let's not do that. I used to make profits throughout the week and then lose it on Fridays. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Market is slowing down. I mean, I woke up just in time to watch this as it was happening. And I was like, man, I wish I could jump into that, but I was too sleepy, too tired. And I'm not gonna do that to myself. But it was nice. I think I had already broken. Partially, it had already broken. I was waking up. Couldn't tell from the phone and in the bedroom if this was some level of support or not. It went 40 some pips after that, so that would have been a nice little win. But I try not to trade from the phone unless I'm right in front of the computer. Trend line on GU. I moved my mic, so now my mic is in the middle of. Oh yeah, absolutely. Sometimes when the 50 is hugging it like this, I don't put the second trend line. So I just watch for the 50. But it's a good confirmation for you on that second trend line, or even the first trend line. If you want to remove this one. If you want to remove this one, it's fine, because you know, as it comes down, it's going to stop at levels anyway. You know, so as it's coming down, it'll stop at these levels anyway. But usually breaks the inner trend line once it comes to the outer trend line. Might want to keep that one, last one. It's only 24 pips. Like 1-to-1. If it breaks below. Gold wants to break. Gold wants to break. Gold wants to break. I need a transition on gold. Should make a little bounce from here. We'll see. Maybe gold is tired. How was everybody's week so far? You guys gotten some good out of this? I know it's been great for me. Avi, hoy es tu viernes. Porque algunas veces no. La gente tiene que trabajar los sábados y domingos. Hoy es tu viernes. Tienes el fin de semana libre. Yeah, that's the only move right there. That was the 5 a.m. candle coming down. Man, that wants to drop. How's that good Dixie doing? Dixie is having a bounce. Javi's like, yes, it's Friday. And the body knows it. Oh. Yeah, it's been a great week. I think I'm getting a lot more comfortable with the lives. I always was amazed at Jay doing this. And I did see him a couple of times missed out on some trades because he was doing this and answering questions and helping people. And the trade is happening and he's missing out on it. But I guess the more you do it, the more calm you are, and the more you realize you miss this one, you catch the next one. You know, yesterday, and again, did it happen after hours? Yeah, I caught I caught after hours. Right, yesterday, here's the move. Yesterday I missed this move, right? The move up back into the zone. I missed that move, but no panic. We waited. We got the rejection. We got a stochastic RSI on our side, and we took the sell down. Now, was it? Yeah, I went in too early, didn't I? Yes. Like all timing, right? Excuse me. I closed half of my position. As it was coming down, I entered a sell. And as I was coming down, it broke through my line, basically my line of resistance that I wanted it to respect. It was pushing up against it, so I closed half of the position. So at the end, when it dropped and it paid me, it basically broke me even. So that was just a break even for me. But then after the broadcast, I saw this move as it broke down below, and I took it down here. Took a nice little chunk. What was that? That was those three lot size, $30 lot size. It was 470 something profit. So what is that? 10, 12, 15, 17, about 17 pips on this drop here. Again, because I didn't panic, you know. I could have just held that, and that would have been my one win of the day, rather than have to go in again. Not that I had to go in, but you know what I mean. So this is a very, very strong support, at least for now. I don't mean it's let me see, what price point is that? 93. It just briefly went over 1800, the quarter point of 1800. And as I was mentioning, if you just got here on the 4 hour, that was a fake out. Nice little fake out. And if you look at the configuration of all of this is still bearish. This could be creating a cup, maybe. Could be creating a nice little cup. Support, bouncing support, higher low, higher low, higher low. It could go up. It could go up. Lots of patience. Certainly not going to mess with my profits from this week. Looks like it wants to break that. It's 4 hour. When is the 4 hour close? 2 hours. The 9 o'clock candle. Perfect timing, isn't it? This candle will close. The 9 o'clock candle. It can come down and wake up. Like these did. Wake up, wake up. It could do that. See what that looks like in the 1 hour. Well, we got a lot going on there. Right, the 1 hour is telling us breaks the trend line, breaks 50, breaks the zone. I need to see a close and retest. I mean, not that we can't make any money on an impulse move, but for you to enter here, 50 pips, for me to enter here on the low is to risk a wick to go in the opposite direction. So I'm not going to do that. I will wait. Yeah, Terry, we've been watching this for the last couple of weeks, and the volume comes with the 8 o'clock and the 9 o'clock candles. The benefit of coming to the charts early is you get to see the price movement. So this is the 7 a.m. candle opening now. On the 1 hour, it broke below the trend line, but it is at support. You would have had to catch that at the break of the trend line for 20 some pips with a stop loss above 50. If you're asking yourself why, I have the trend line here, is because on the 4 hour, that's where it goes. So could that little zone hold? We also have news at 8:30. No red folders, but a lot of yellow folders that could impact somewhat the price. Dixie's still pushing up. Not you. You. Powerful 50 on the 1 hour on GA. I was saying about showing up early to charts. I don't know about you, but I benefit quite a bit from watching the price action. Watching it go up, go down, hit off here, hit off there. Hey, that gold looks like head and shoulders on the 1 hour. If that's the case, then there's going to be a bounce here. How is Hawaii right now, Brandon? Or is it Maui? Which one are you in? You're in Maui, no? Very low risk entry for a buy on that one. But I missed it. Good morning, Christine. So how is Maui? on this fine Friday. Is there a storm in the Caribbean, by the way? Anybody know? I don't usually keep up with news. People have to tell me what's going on because I'm focused on my stuff. But a gust of wind came through last night. Well, early evening. This gust of wind comes through, takes my beach umbrella and destroys my patio furniture. Patio table was made out of glass, shattered it completely. It's like, nice. Wow, man. Sorry to hear about that. Yeah, nice little 15 pip win right there. Josh would have taken that. Well, 50 bucks is not too bad. It all depends on your account size, right? But any loss on a Friday feels like, 18 pip there already. Gotta learn this. Yeah, crazy, Christine. We hear this loud bang. It's like, what's going on? We look outside and there's this, just the wind is just blowing crazy. It's like, what's going on? Our beach, I guess it's a beach umbrella. You know, it's with the patio. You know how it is. It's a patio furniture with the beach umbrella, with the large beach umbrella. Have flown out. I'm like, okay. Sometime today, I gotta clean that up. It was too late to be out there last night doing that. Good job, Stefan. I think you might find some resistance there on the trend line. Oh, we gotta turn that around, Brandon. Gotta turn that ship around. This is what I like to see on gold. Despite the fact that Stefan is in a buy, I would like this turn into a wick. This turning into a wick, breaking the low, will give me confidence for a breakout move with a stop loss above the wick. Be sort of like this. What I'm looking for here is what this became over here. You see how this was bouncing off support, goes all the way up, starts wick, breaks the low. Okay, breaks the low, entry, boom. Here's another one. This was not too bad either. This is green all the way up. Okay, next candle opens, goes green, starts breaking down below, breaks, turns from green to red. Great entry, stop loss, either above the previous one or that one. Yeah, this is a good trade. Stefan, this is actually a good trade. A buy here was a good trade. It's at support, gives you the wick, shows you exactly where the stop loss is. And I mean, by now you probably should have been taking already partial profits, because the unknown is what's going to happen here. And you could hold, I guess, if you want to, for a few more pips for the full price, 7 more pips or whatever. But depending on your entry, you got about 15, 16, 17 pips already. And I'll take a chunk of that, and I don't care then if the rest takes me out. You got to be looking at where the possible places where it may resist you, right? Remember that this is the 4-hour trend line. It could bounce from there significantly. But it could also reject. $18 pips, nice. Good job, brother. Very nice. Good job. No, man, Dan Pena is so crude. He's so rude. And unnecessarily so. It's what he had to do for himself. I get it. It's the persona he had to become for himself. Okay, understood. It's like my game face, right? Story time. In Puerto Rico, and Abby could attest to this. In Puerto Rico, we play a brand of baseball that is very aggressive. Good morning, Marlon. Would the bottom support be a golden zone on what? On it could be. Certainly not from here, but from here it could be. It likely is. Don't make me miss my story. Yep. Yeah, it is. From that wick down. Good morning, Frank. Good morning, Kirky. True, it is not much with partial profit, but it doesn't matter. It's the principle, right? The lot size doesn't matter. The lot size doesn't matter. Lot size is what you have on your account for now, but that's not always going to be the case. So I was saying, good old Don Pena. I think that's his game face. I don't think he talks like that to his grandkids. In Puerto Rico, we play in a very aggressive style of baseball. I should say probably in all the Caribbean, but I didn't grow up in the Caribbean. I grew up in Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico, we play a very aggressive style of baseball. We are in your face. I mean, as in stare downs, as in gestures. You know, I mean, it's very, I guess, macho, whatever you want to call it. It's, you know, and it's how I learned to play the game. Okay, that's how I learned to play the game. So I come to the United States. I come to college, right? Division I. I'm playing baseball. And my teammates are telling me, man, you're going to get somebody plucked. Like somebody's going to get hit by a pitch on purpose because of my aggressive style of playing. I'm like, well, I don't want anybody to get hurt. So I stopped playing my brand of baseball. Well, my baseball suffered, right? My baseball suffered. I didn't do so good. I was struggling. And I did really bad for a couple years. My roommate, a good friend to this day, I still consider him probably my best friend, said to me, Bombo, you just got to go back to being cocky. And I'm like, you know what? You're right. And now I'm senior. Right? I'm the senior. So it's like, you know what? Yep. Got to go back to being cocky. I went back to playing my style of baseball and my game came back. You know, there was an authenticity to the way I played the game. It's how I learned it. And so basically I had to say, like Dan would say, F whoever doesn't believe I should play like this. I don't care who doesn't. I don't care who doesn't like it. This is my game. I can't play my game if I'm not playing it my way. So Dan has figured out that to play his game, he's got to play it this way. So that's how he plays it. Don't mean everybody got to be that way. It's only one damn opinion. And it has worked very well for him. So now you got another Robert Rivera story. Yeah, man. Puerto Rico is like the Wild West for baseball. Oh, got it. Got it, Stefan. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Yeah, baseball in Puerto Rico reminds me of Clint Eastwood. Make my day. Feeling lucky, punk. I know what you're thinking. Fire 5 bullets, 6 bullets. Lucky punk. Make my day. And the pitchers there in Puerto Rico will throw to your head. Like you're giving them the stare down, right? You're challenging them, basically daring them to throw you that fastball or whatever it is. And they'll throw a fastball right in your ear. You got to be on your toes. Rico from Ocho Rios, welcome. Nothing happening, Rico. Stefan took the bounce on gold. I made 18 pips. Terry, I think, got 12 pips from BA bounce also. Nice. Very nice, especially if you got it down here. For those of you just arriving, as I was mentioning, Friday is usually a, how can I say, it's not a high volume day usually. And although you could get sudden moves if there's news events and stuff like that. But I usually lower my lot sizes. I already have my lot size significantly lowered in case I go in. just because I don't want to risk the profits of the week. It used to be that I would, Monday and Fridays have always been my toughest days. Monday turned much better the more patient I became. Friday, just out of habit now, I just don't put a large lot size on it. Just doesn't make any sense. You know, it will be like you running in a race with the best runners in the world. And just before you cross the finish line, you slow down. I don't think so. Forget that. You know, you just beat the market all week and now you're going to give it back? I don't think so. I used to do that though. Is that touching your 30 yet? No, there it is. $25. There you go. There you go. Nice. Very nicely done. Good job, Terry. I mean, not Terry. Stefan. Good job on that. It's not turning into a wick anytime soon. We got, what is it? 9 minutes to the close. Of the 30-minute candle. Buen dia, Josh. Did you catch that bounce from gold? Closing tabs over here. Did you catch that bounce from gold? Yeah, right now I can reject. Yes, please go ahead and reject. We'd like to see that. So I'm asking Josh if he caught this bounce of gold, and probably he's gonna tell me, no, I caught it down here. What was I looking for? I was looking for something. For those of you who want to join a community of traders, support each other and have a great leadership, there's that link. That's our academy, Trend Trading Academy. Nice. Okay, let's see what happens here. Wow, good job, Josh. Pips. Josh got himself on gold 140 pips from yesterday. I think that's a win. I think that constitutes a win. And I was thinking about this, Josh. Interesting how thoughts mull in your head, right? Throughout the day. I was thinking about, actually, I wasn't thinking about anything, but this came to me. Wayne Gretzky used to say, you know, everybody asked him why he was so good. And he said, I don't go to where the puck is. I go to where the puck is going to be. So if you know this is an area where it's likely to bounce, you wait for it to come to your area. I guess it's like what we did yesterday. At least what we did yesterday over here. Yesterday, we could have caught this going up, but we didn't, right? Well, I didn't. Again, there's no we here, it's me. But we knew this is a place where it could reject, and it did. So we caught that going down. Well, same thing here. If you know this is a likely place where it's going to bounce, if you didn't catch this, and we didn't, let's say, for example, you wait for it, gets here, hello, hello, beautiful. We take it. Going to where the puck is going to be. So it's not a bad idea to have your zones marked. If this breaks, for example, if this breaks down, where is it going? Well, there's a pair right over here. There's another potential one over here. Slightly above that one. There's wicks over here. Any one of these is a potential area where price will have a reaction. If you go to the higher time frame, you're going to have a whole lot less than that. If we go to the higher time frame, then this is the first area. Let's see. Well, no, this one. This one. And then this one. So especially on an aggressive, impulsive move, of gold to the downside, you can catch the wick going in the opposite direction. 4 hour bouncing at the trend line and the zone. Nice bounce. GU seems to want to close or break the highs. But we already saw on the higher time frame, right, that it is a double top. Yeah, it could still break though. That action right there. We'll see. I mean, that's a tough area to overcome. Without news, or maybe because of the news that's coming, maybe it will. Dixie rejecting. If you're going to come down and break the neck of the head and shoulders, breaking the neck of the head and shoulders will mean gold is going up. All right. Oh, yeah. Good job. $92 what? 85? Wow. Josh is still in the cell. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. From over here? Holy cow. Josh is in this cell on the Dixie. Wow. Oye, brother, te vas a quedar en la República cuando te hagas rico. Because it looks like you are getting ready to. No more jobs for you. No more jobs for Josh. I love it. Avi, vamos a cambiar tu oficio de 5 días a la semana a 2 días a la semana y 5 días de vacaciones. ¿Qué te parece? Yeah, I saw it, Josh. Very nice. Yeah, I might have to go. Is that 7:30? Okay, that's a 7:30 candle opening now. I have to buy some land in Puerto Rico. Tax laws for traders are better over there. Así será, Abby. Así será. Let's see if it completes. Se me enfrió el café. Estaba hablando tanto, se me enfrió el café. Se me enfrió, sí. Gonna have to heat up my coffee. So today, being Friday, again, my lot size is significantly smaller. And I'm waiting for premium setup. I already missed 2. And that was the rejection from up here. And I was just getting up. There's no way I was going to try to catch that. But the rejection from here, the bounce from here. I think Stefan got it. Somebody got it. Excuse me. A year and 2 months. Yo estuvo calladito por mucho tiempo. He was in the background working his butt off. Y de repente, bam. You want to tell the people what was your epiphany, Josh? Your aha moment? Because there's an aha moment for everybody. Pivot point. Pivot point. Pivot point. Good job, man. ¿Qué hora es? Ya viene por ahí las 8. Siempre me dan los bostezos como ya a la hora y media, a las 2 horas. Well, I asked earlier, but nobody, I don't know that anybody replied. Is the sound any better? Is the sound any better from yesterday? Let me know, guys. So I moved the mic away. I was listening to the recording and it was very loud. Sound is better? Okay. Thanks, the IT. Good. Well, that was another potential entry over the 50. Yo como que estoy medio dormido hoy. That's a complete reversal of that move. At the hour. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Mira, voy a ir a cantar el café. I'll be back. I missed that one there too. Let me go take a break, go heat up my coffee. I'll be right back. Hey. I am back. Mira, Avi, la tacita. ¿La reconoces? I got like 4 or 5 of these. Yeah, I think the biggest thing for me in the New York session is going to be figuring out what positions to take before the 8 a.m. and the 9 a.m. candles. Because you don't want to be in drawdown waiting for the 8 a.m. and the 9 a.m. candle. Pero ¿qué clase de café voy a tomar? ¿Café boricua? Actually, mi papá me manda café de Puerto Rico. Mi papi vive en Utuado. So papi sends me coffee from Puerto Rico, like from his backyard. His neighbors have coffee plantations. And so they send me coffee from over there. Papi sends me coffee from over there. Also café de acá, el café Bustelo. En Colombia tienen uno delicioso. I have a great coffee in Colombia. Fíjate, lo llaman sello rojo. Sello rojo teníamos nosotros. Sello rojo es una marca de arroz en Puerto Rico. Pero los colombianos tienen un buen café llamado sello rojo. Mi suegra me trajo café de Guatemala. Así que yo tengo café de todas partes, chicos. I got coffee from everywhere. El mejor café o un café bien distinto es el Yaucono de Puerto Rico. El café Yaucono de Puerto Rico es bastante diferente a los demás que hay ahí. And I do miss that. It's a distinctive flavor. I drink a lot less coffee than I used to. But I do drink it still. Like this right here will probably last me all day. I just keep heating it up. Like sipping on it. It's like my Red Bull. People get upset with, Robert, you shouldn't be drinking Red Bull. Man, I drink a Red Bull, it lasts me all day. Like when I go on a road trip, or if I want to stay awake on my way home, driving, I just sip it. It's like when I was doing the London. When I was doing the London, I will crack that 8 ounce of Red Bull, 8 ounce too, because I can't drink the other ones. But the 8 ounce of Red Bull, and I would sip on that all night long. I would just be sipping. It's not gonna keep me up. Caffeine, for some reason, that's a nice 10-pip move right there. Caffeine, for some reason, does not really affect me, I guess, because it's already in my system from when I was young. But I can drink a cup of coffee and go to sleep. But green tea, man, green tea wakes me up at 1 o'clock in the morning, making me think I can solve all the world's problems. I'm bad. I mean, my brain is just going. I got the brightest ideas. It's crazy. So it's a good stimulant, green tea. Yeah, Chrissy, we have a Head and Shoulders. We have a Head and Shoulders over here on the Dixie. Sharina should be coming down. I think we Did I see a head and shoulder? Where did I see the other head and shoulder? Was it here? Yeah, but this is very messy. It's not as clean. Let's see the 4 hour. No, mija. And the 4 hour is just a bearish flag. Bearish pennant. Not sure that it will complete. But it is a bearish pennant. You know? We shall see what comes of it. Sometimes it's good to have those there so you can see it. I don't like to have them. I just watch the trend line. On GU. GU was a double top, right? I don't think, I mean, I could be wrong, but without a significant news event, I don't see that breaking through. Again, I could be wrong. Rejection, 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 rejection. And in fact, I'm anticipating that the folders that are coming, even if they're not red folders, all of these folders should prove to be good numbers for the US dollar. Because, you know, people come back to work and stuff like that. So it should bring that down. But again, that's fundamentals, and I don't deal with fundamentals. No, the energy drinks don't keep me up. It's green tea. Like, I don't know. If I want to stay up, I can stay up. But put my head on the pillow, I'm going to sleep. Ain't nothing going to stop me from that, except for green tea. Except for the green tea. Interesting. It's a very low time frame, but Dixie going your way again, Josh. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't believe this bullish move. The 4 hour stochastic RSI is at the top. The 1 hour stochastic is at the top. 30-minute is in the middle. 15-minute is in the middle, pushing up. I have no faith in that move. Looks bullish. but because of market structure as to where it's at, could break and retest, I suppose. Yeah, I had the privilege, really. I was very privileged to be on Jay's very first class when he started Team Take Profits. And if you watch any of the early videos, yeah, I'm asking a whole bunch of questions, right? So I'm learning. I was so hungry. I was always interacting with him. And the group was small enough that we could like really get deep into stuff. As time went on and the groups got bigger and bigger, it gets a lot more difficult to do that. So, but let me give you a secret. This is a blessing. This is a blessing that I received many years ago. I learned from other leaders. You can always get in the inner circle. You can always get in the inner circle by serving. You can always get in the inner circle by serving. So I started serving Jay. You know, he wasn't paying me for it. I helped him for a whole year and a bit. I did charts. I helped the community as it was growing. I got heavily involved in encouraging people, lifting people up, helping answer questions that I knew, basically taking the burden off of him. And when Jay and Joe decided to open TTA, they came to me to join them in this new venture. And how did I get there? By serving. How did K Deuce, Imani, Greg, how did those guys get in on the goods with the TTA? By serving. You can get in the inner circle of anything by serving. You want to learn real estate? You're in real estate, you want to learn real estate, you're around people who are in real estate, serve them. Ease their burden, help them. Invest in that. That's an investment, right? You're not getting anything directly out of it. You're thinking long-term. You're seeing the long game. You know, you're in a swing position. You're in a swing position. You're not scalping, right? When you're serving, you're not scalping. You're thinking long-term. Pays huge dividends, guys. To be in the inner circle and because again, everything in life is the difference between us and anybody who's where we want to be is what they know. That's it. Ain't nobody better than you. Ain't nobody smarter than you. That's smarter than you. I'll put it this way. There are people dumber than you, stupider than you, who make crazy stupid and got their lives all messed up mistakes, and they're making money at this. Okay? So if they can do it, you can do it. If they can do it, you can do it. So it's really about what you know. You got to get in the know with people. You got to get in the know with people. When you find people who have figured out what you're trying to figure out, get in that inner circle. Serve them. Serve people. Help them. Make their burden easier. And favor will come your way in waves and waves and waves. Favor that cannot be stopped. It is true what the Bible says. Whatever you sow, you reap. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. To be specific, do not be deceived. God cannot be mocked. Whatsoever a person sows, they shall receive. Yeah. If you can find them, if you can find successful people in your area, I mean, you have successful people here at TTA that will be very happy to help you. And you can serve them. But if if you have the opportunity to be face to face with someone who's willing to mentor you, obviously that's huge. But outside of that, you can have people's time. Well, Chrissy, in this world of high technology, we can do this online, which is what we're doing. What we're doing. Anyway, I mean, that's my story. I mean, I can't remember where was it. Oh, I know. And some of you may find this awkward and weird and whatever, but it was Amway, guys. I got an Amway back in 94. And forget the products and stuff, even though the products were good. The system that they had, their educational system, man, I got all over that. The educational system, that's where I got Think and Grow Rich, the magic of thinking big, the magic of believing, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Kiyosaki's books, some of the older ones, The Richest Man in Babylon, Rhinoceros Success. Rhinoceros Success. I love Rhinoceros Success. The story behind Rhinoceros Success, and this is one of my gifts from one of my daughters. She wrote here, no one can stop the rhino. That's the story behind Rhinoceros Success. A rhino doesn't really care about the obstacles because nothing can stop it, right? Nothing can stop it. Rhinoceros Success. Read that book, find it. Nothing's gonna stop the rhino. I was part of an organization, one of the branches of Amway, that had figured out how to serve people. They were successful because they served people. And I watched them, man, and I learned it. I mean, I bought into it. I'm giving you some insights here, guys, that hopefully you guys are catching. But I learned from them. If your upline was in town, your upline, the person that was helping you build a business, you never let them open the door. You opened that door for them. If you had the means, you paid their lunch for them. You know, you held their mic for them. If they were talking, you wouldn't talk, you would listen. Your eyes will always be on that person, that because the whole thing was honoring that person, right? Building value into that person so that when that person spoke, everybody would listen. So that when you had your team, your group, the people that you were recruiting, and you brought them in front of that person then had that much more value to give to your team because you had so elevated this person. Everybody would be watching that, right? I mean, could some of it be posturing? Yeah, some of it would be posturing, but the honoring part, oh, this is the 8 o'clock candle. Here we go. The honoring part proves true. If this person is coming into town to help you build your business, if this person is coming into town to help you build your business, honor them. So you will see me when I'm around Jay, I'm carrying his bag, I'm carrying his camera, I'm opening his door, whatever I have to do to honor him. He serves me by helping me become successful, right? He has. So when I'm around him, if Elijah's not there, because Elijah always carrying his stuff, Elijah honored his daddy that way. Okay, we're gonna get a move here. Is this the move that I'm waiting for? I mean, it's in the middle. I don't like that. That's the fact that's in the middle. But having broke through all this, it should keep climbing up. Let's see. That might have been the move. That might be the move I'm waiting for with the volume coming in. Wick right below. I'm going in. I did too early yesterday. Stop loss below the wick. I'm not messing with it. Take profit at another zone, at the next zone. It's about 20 pips approximately. So that's a pretty good risk reward. I'm up 3 pips. Let's see if this continues. It's something like this. Where am I? My entry is not that great, is it? Because they had already started the move. 4 pips, 5 pips. Come on, let's keep going. Something like that. There you go. Let's go. Is he going to be able to hold? Yep, I think you're right, Josh. I think you're right. 1800 is the place. Let's see if it gets there. Otherwise, I may scalp 6, 7, 8 pips out of this and be done. Make my stop loss tighter. Well, here we go. Yeah, it rejected at the 20 on the 30-minute. It's having a hard time going over that right there. What's the Dixie doing? Still dropping? We need like a really strong push from the Dixie down. And then I'll be happy. I'm not happy anyway, but you know what I mean. Yeah, service is where it's at. John Maxwell has a great book, The Servant Leader. Is that his book, The Servant Leader? I'm not sure if that's his book. After I said it. Yeah, this needs to make its move in the next 9 minutes, or I'm gonna be done with it. It should continue. 7 pips. The art of patience, right? There you go. 9 pips, 8 pips. Come on, it's gotta break through that. It's gotta break through that 20. That was a very good buy on Stefan's part earlier. It's the start of this whole move. The bounce of support. If it breaks at 20, I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop loss to break even because it should not come back. That's 8. I'm tempted to take profit here. Certainly don't want this to turn into a loser now. Yeah, it's testing the high of that wick. Break that wick, is gonna come to over this one over here. Come on, it's really struggling here, guys. I might have to take profit. I took it. I took 8. I took 8. That may have to be the happy day for me. I could keep going up, but in my estimation, it should have already done it. Probably will, because the Dixie's still coming down. The best entry here, two entries, right? This one right down here and this one over the 50. My entry here was based on, well, I should have gotten a better entry to help with my position, right? Had I gotten the entry of the New York as it was breaking above, then that would have been 14 pips or so. But I didn't. It was not a very good entry, and so being as late as I was into the game, I took what I could. But If you got it down here, then you can hold it, right? If you got it here, then you're also in a good position. Starting here, it's a lot riskier. I was just taking the break of this high right here. And I'm done. Now we'll see if it goes. Me quedé con 8. Me quedé con 8. That just pads the wad for the week. I mean, this week we killed it. I mean, I am halfway to my goal for the month on the first week of the month. So that's not bad. Yeah, it's having a hard time here, so I'm happy I took it. It could continue up. It could continue up. I'm all right. I'm used to, and of course you guys already know it, right? I'm used to this. I'm used to entering and getting resolution. If I don't get resolution quick, it's not looking good for me. Me holding a trade for too long, that's not good. It means my timing was off. You know, my timing was late here. My timing was late going in here. So gotta do what works for my psychology. You said the USD is like on the ground. Yep. I mean, it should make you think, right? That the USD is so low. The GBP is decent, and it still hasn't broken through. Talking about GU. These kind of rejections right here, man, that messes me up psychologically. See what I mean? No bueno. It hasn't gotten over the 20. Whew. Sorry. Thank you. 7 fights. 7 fights. That sounds like kung fu. I mean, if you think about it, it's kind of like, okay, it's kind of like at the right shoulder of the head and shoulder, of this head and shoulder. You know? Which I think somebody else was pointing it out earlier. To me, the whole thing is just a buried flag. And volume still hasn't come in. Still waiting on volume. Yeah, I was late getting in. That was my thing. I like the way Kyle is coming along. Kyle is coming along nicely. Those psychology issues are usually the hardest to overcome, but once you overcome them. Okay, it looks like GU is finally making his move. Is that the new 15-minute candle? Yeah. Oh, the 15-minute candle broke over the 50. Well, that's nice. It seemed to indicate it's going to keep going. No, I trade GU, GU and gold. But gold is getting easier and easier to trade for me. A lot easier. The trick is waiting for the move. Like, it really hasn't done its move yet. Even this move, like, this was just smart market structure planning. I'm glad Stefan got that because I missed it. But as I mentioned to him, my take profit would have been at that 50. That's 25 pips. Nice little win. It broke above. Once it broke above, okay, that's another potential entry. And that's another 25, 37, 30, 27 pips or something like that. Nice. But the move, the real move, has not happened yet. It's happening now, perhaps. It's testing the 20 again. It should break it. It should break it. There you go. It's above the 20 now. Sorry, guys. I'm not looking, as I mentioned, not looking to do anything spectacular on Friday. Still struggling on that 20. It's above it, it's below it, it's above it, it's below it. It's the 8:30 candle, isn't it? Josh, have we noticed that? It's the 8:30 candle. It's the second it's the second half of the 8 a.m. candle. There it goes. It's the second half of the 8 a.m. candle that is more definitive. I think, from what I remember from the last several days. So we'll see. Nice move. Nice. Like right now, it's only 3 pips over where I took profit. So I'm all right. I'm good. Rejecting that 20. It's just having a hard time getting over that 20. Goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Oof. That's a strong rejection. Yeah, it's rejecting hard. Yeah, 20 SMA. Yep, it could be the move the other direction. Yep. Yep. This, oh, here it comes. Oh, nasty, nasty, nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Can you imagine? Up 10, 11 pips. Have to endure this now. Yeah, we're rejecting. I'm gonna wait for the candle close. Maybe I'll dare throw a second bullet out. This is the infuriating thing about gold. So you gotta take profit when you got it. Oh, good catch, Heidi. Heidi is awake. Ooh, 61.8 rejection. 61.8 rejection. Beautiful. See, if you waited for the puck to get to 61.8, you'll be up 22 pips. Nice. Dixie bounced. Dixie bounced before he got to the bottom zone, at least my zone. There he goes back up. Gold is trying again. Gold is trying again. He is getting tired. That's a good catch, Heidi. By the way, if you backtest that, you might find something. If you backtest the rejection of 61.8 on the first touch of the 61.8 every time, I bet you'll find something. Good job, Josh. Yep, that was like the other day on that flash drop. $1,000 in 30 seconds. It's the waiting part, right? You gotta wait 3 hours to catch a 30-second move. Yeah, looks like GU is getting tired. That's what the hour candle is looking like. Aye. Good job, Josh. And Bitcoin got tired, didn't it? Well, Bitcoin is basing out. But it's basing out below the zone that I created. So maybe it's creating a new support there. Yeah, Bitcoin is not looking so hot. How much time? 3 minutes. Yeah, I'm liking gold more during the New York than GU. I guess I'm beginning to specialize in gold. Let's see, Reese. Let's find out. It depends on what move you're talking about. I'm assuming you're talking about this move. It's there already. It's already there. Yeah, if I had to guess, I'm thinking this is selling. I'm thinking GU is selling. I'm getting sleepy, guys. It's 8:30, almost, not quite. 50 seconds. Let's see. I think we're dropping on gold. What do you think, Josh? News, right? Bunch of news here. Let's see. 7, 6, 5. Here you go. Oh, wait a minute. Why are these red folders? Oh, that's the 16th. Okay. Oh, whoa, nasty. You see that move? That was news. I guess it would have paid to hold it to the thing. It did it, but that's a news candle. That is a news candle for you. Not very nice. Look at that move. Okay, that's volume coming in, right? Moving up, moving up, moving up, moving down. Which way will it go? Well, you gotta love it when a spike, right, a wick just pays you. But it was so fast. I wonder if it would have actually filled the order. Yeah, the spike was so fast. Okay, I think we're going down. The spike was so fast. I don't know if it would have filled the order. Like closed it, by that is what I mean. Yeah, por ahí se fue. Por ahí se fue. So, at least, how many times? 4 times, 5 times this week? We've seen the 8:30 candle go in the opposite direction of the 8 o'clock candle. Eso va. Eso va. Eso va. Bye-bye, gold. The numbers must have come out good. Can't really see the numbers there, but let's see. What does my FX book say? Sueñito tengo. Yeah, the numbers are out. Better than expected, better than expected, better than expected, better than expected. Still waiting on more. So all the news are better than expected. Yep. We kind of knew that. Here comes GU coming down. There goes gold going down. The Dixie should spike up. More news at 10. Yeah, Jones, it depends on your service provider. It depends on your broker and how fast their fulfillment orders are. But is it the dark web? Did you see the movie The Dark Web? Is it the dark web? I think it's called Dark Web. Nice move. Good job, Josh. Ese oro se va. Se va, se va, se fue. What was I saying? Se me olvida, se me olvidó. Oh, dark web. I think it's called dark web, where it talks about how these orders are filled and how this guy was exposing how the money makers, the market makers, and the the order flow, it can be rigged so that, you know, it's supposed to be in order, right? If you put in a buy or you put in a sell, your sell or your buy goes into the list, onto the waiting list, right? I mean, this all takes seconds, but it goes to the waiting list, and the orders start getting filled. They have it rigged so that some specific broker, some specific house, some specific bank will skip all that and be at the top. And so the banks always get filled first, and then you get filled. And if you just happen to be on the wrong timing, you end up on the wick like this. Well, not here, because you saw this whole thing happening. But when it started moving up and down over here, that's when that happens. And so if it moves really fast, your order may not get filled. So in other words, you were in a buy here, right? It comes and hits your take profit, but it doesn't close because they couldn't process your order fast enough while it dropped. Now, if it's the bank, they got paid, but not you, not me. So we gotta play the game right. That tiny little pullback right there was 20 pips. Yeah, it's too fast. And you can't even manually close it because it is too fast. The only thing you can do is, again, get yourself a broker or an institution that is on the inside and can get the best price. GU rejecting. That would have been my N. 7 pips. Should come down. So that was the 8:30, but that was news. And you see how news spikes up, spikes down, takes orders up here, takes orders down here, eliminates all the orders, and we still don't know which way it's going. I anticipate it's coming down, but on the sell, Stefan, I'm assuming you're on the sell. It's the logical move on GU, especially at the close of the candle. That would have been my end. 30-minute candle closes. It's just a good entry because of resistance, right? It is a resistance. It's not a small resistance. Positive news should bring it down. Good job, Stefan. What a great week. I'm so hyped about these lives. I think I found a new level of discipline for me. Thanks to these lives. Thank you, Jay Jung. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see the 9 a.m. candle go up, double to gather more orders, and then come down. Because it's still not a definitive move. Right now, it's just bouncing there. I mean, it looks huge there, but let's go to the higher time frames. It's all happening right in here. Still. Remember that the 9 a.m. candle is the open of the next 4-hour candle. This will become, looks like an engulfing candle. A bearish engulfing candle. The 9 a.m. candle is the next 4-hour candle. Let's see where this closes. God bless your 1-year-old. That's awesome, Heidi. That was part of the intent. Get some rest, CIT. Enjoy your weekend. Congrats. If you had a good week, I hope you did. Get some rest. I want to see the reaction of the 9 a.m. candle, and then I might be done. I mean, so far, the analysis has been correct, right? Everything's been on point. It was supposed to bounce from there, it bounced. It's supposed to go over the 50. Well, once it went over the 50, it's supposed to hold the 50, and it did. It's supposed to touch the top zone over here, it did. Now that we've seen the rejection and the news that came out. And by the way, also, yeah, again, reiterating, right? These were not RIT folders, okay? But yet there were so many folders involved in here that it was going to make an effect, and it did. So now, what is the long-term effect is what we don't know. But all of the analysis has been good. We didn't miss anything. And we're watching it now perhaps close below, which is what it did yesterday, by the way, guys. The 9 a.m. candle, was it? No. Yeah, the close of the 8 a.m. candle closed below the trend line. Is that right? Where was the trend line yesterday? It was here, but that's kind of steep. Oh, it was this one. It was this one. Yeah, it was the other day, the day before that. We saw the close, finally closed below. And then the 9 o'clock, yeah, the 9 o'clock candle, the 9 o'clock candle closed below, and then the 9:30 took it. So now we're watching what happens here. This looks like it's going to close below. Still got 10 more minutes. Yeah, on gold, a candle that goes against you can pay you. This candle, well, what was it, this one? No, it was this one actually. This candle paid me there, and then the hour candle, well, yeah, this 1 hour candle paid me somewhere in here, and it's gone against me. But I'm already out of the position, so it's not really against me. But my point is that a candle that can go against you can pay you if you're fast enough to do your thing. Look at this drop. Well, I guess the volume did show up on the second half. But again, news. So how much did news affect it? I think it affected. Perhaps Josh, but I don't know. Not gonna get involved in that. I'm gonna watch the 4 hour. Look at this 4 hour. That's an 80 pip candle. Wow. The 1 hour. It is at support. And looking super bearish, but it is at support, so let's wait. It's breaking it. Well, it's trying to break it, I should say. It's not breaking it yet. What is that, 20 more pips? Yeah, Stefan, 8:30 is the news hour time for USD. It's almost like it wants to wait for the market to open, people to be in position, right? Because the market opens at 8. So the market opens at 8, everybody can start gathering their orders, putting their stuff together, ready for the 8:30 news. Here comes 8:30 news. All hell breaks loose. Good job, Young. Light thing is in my way, I can't see. Oh yeah, look at that 4 hour. Woo! And it's about to close. Ooh, baby. Wow. 10 minutes. We may be calling it early today, this Friday. Canada news. All the Canada news was worse than expected. Anybody in USD CAD? USD CAD should be flying. Let me take a look at it. I don't even have it here. Oh, that's weird. All the news are bad for the CAD, and yet it's dropping. That's weird. Where's our heat wave? Isn't that crazy? All these negative news on the CAD, and the CAD is almost at 8 strength. There's that bounce again from that spot. When it breaks it, it's gonna be powerful. Another 16 pip bounce. Well, on the 4 hour, I think they call that an evening star. A hammer would be at the very top. It's looking good for the sell. Ten more minutes. Oh my gosh. Broader picture. Let's look at the broader picture. It's a critical area. On gold, that 1800 is a big important number. That's exactly where it touched the 1800, right? Yep. So the unemployment rate number for Canada was good. The average hourly wage also was good. Okay, so we got other news that was good. Capacity decision was good. PPI was good. Oh, that's USD. I'm running out of steam here. Just like Josh said, 1800, he's on fire. Yes. He is on fire. Burning up. Ugh. See, I mean, I've been drinking this coffee. Doing nothing to my sleepiness. I think I think I'm developing a habit. I'm developing a habit. I make money and I get sleepy. What does that mean? It's a psychological thing there. Okay. 5 minutes or so, right? Appreciate all of you being here this morning. Again, very good week. Hopefully you guys benefited also from it. Next week, I'll be here every day except for Wednesday, I believe. Giving you the heads up so that you be in the know. And then again, I may rearrange that. So we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Hear my wife sneezing back there. Three minutes. And if you take notice, I'm always counting the minutes to the next candle open. Always be aware of that. That's great, Reese. Yeah, hopefully we get a whole bunch of people here, and that way, we can get more interaction. Woohoo! That's great, Kirky. That's great. Congratulations. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Yeah, man. Just 270 a day keeps the job away. Right? I remember saying $100 a day keeps the job away. For a lot of people, that is true. Yeah, there is a lag, Stefan. That's why you got to be paying attention to your chart, keeping an eye. I mean, I usually talk ahead, right? What we're looking at and what we're anticipating. But then you got to stay on top of it because there is a lag. From the time that it's happening over here to the time that you hear me say anything, there is a lag. So you're missing out if you don't jump on it. Right now, there's a minute. Right now, minute left. Right now, to the 9 a.m. candle. So you can time it to see what the lag is. So you got to be ready to do what you got to do. It's breaking below. I think it's going to close below. The 4 hours is going to close below. I would anticipate there's going to be some sort of move to the upside on the 9 a.m. candle. And then there'll be a break of the bottom. So the 9 a.m. candle, maybe the first 30 minutes, right? Or even higher. And then or you know how gold is. Okay, here it comes. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what we get. This is where Josh will be getting in at the very bottom. Well, now you got a wick on both directions, right? If you want to take the buy, it wouldn't be a bad idea. I mean, the stop loss is right there. What I want to see it do is go up, give me that wick that we like to see, and then come crashing. Yeah, gold. Yeah, I mean, I think it just makes, like I said, that they'll make a move up, right? This is support, and then we'll go bam, bam-a-rama. Yeah, if you were quick about it, you're already up 10 pips. You know, another little quick 10 pip move and done with that one and waiting on the sell. I mean, this is a 4 hour. I mean, that's strong rejection, very strong rejection of that move up. More than overwhelmed whatever buys were happening in here. So, yeah. Uh-oh, here's the wick. Uh-oh, here's the wick. Took a sell. Stop loss above the wick. Uh-oh, might take me out. Positioning my trade. Let's see what we get, if we get anything. Vamos, Orito. Yo sé qué quieres. Let's see if we get that strong move down. There you go. There you go. It's trying. Can't make up his mind what he wants to do. It tested the low again. Critical spot, right? Because of support. Could have gotten about 6 pips there just a minute ago. I didn't take it. Waiting on it. Waiting on it. Very tempted just to take this quick scalp. just to add a little pad to the money. But man, I'm so confident it's gonna go, man. So let's go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Another 14 pips. Now I'm dancing over here. This is my slow dance, Snoopy dance. There you go. That's 2 bullets, 2 wins. Very small lot size. Yep. Very, very small lot size. That would have been a huge day today, but very little. I have now gone, let me see. Let me take a look. Yep. Gone over half of my profits that I'm trying to get for the month in the first week. Snoopy dance. All right. Yeah, it should not come back until at least it bounces from here. That's 20 some pips. And it should go down this way. Let me eliminate this for now. So something like this. And that was my trade. Something like that. That's what I just did, but it should. TP1, TP2, it's faking out now. It could create, again, this is support, so this is a quick, that was quick for me. It's not like it has already broken support. It hasn't broken support. So if you're gonna take a breakout, you gotta do it quick, right? It hasn't broken. When it breaks, then you can go with a lot more confidence. Thank you, Reese. Appreciate that. Yep, looks like it's now coming back up. I think it'll still go. Yeah, it could take it, you know, again, on such a tight stop loss, it could take you out. Because it could come back, retest the trend line, and then drop. It could go all the way up there, reject, and come down again. I think it wants to break the bottoms. If you look at the 4 hour, the challenge is that, right, it has 4 hours to make up its mind what it wants to do. It has 4 hours to make up its mind. I'm not hanging out for 4 hours. So this was basically a 1-to-1 from here where it went, right? Yeah, just a little better than 1-to-1. It paid 13, I think it paid 15, I think I got 13 of that, 13 or 14, depending on how quickly it closed it. I'm not sure how quickly it closed it. I guess I got 13. Yeah. It went to 15, but I only got 13. I guess that's not too bad. That's not too bad. I remember when my stockbroker, ooh, there you go. Ooh, volume coming in. Volume coming in. Here we go. Here you go. It's going for sure. It's going. When my broker, when my stocks mentor used to do these trades, these scalps, man, he'd be in, he'd be out, and I'm still trying to figure out how to get in. He'd make thousands of dollars and I would lose money. It was so frustrating. So don't get frustrated if you didn't catch this. You just get the feel for it after a while. You get a feel for it, and it's like, no, I'm getting out. You know, time to get out. Mercedes, saludos. Saludos a la madre patria, aunque yo sé que todavía estás por acá. Yeah, it should go. Again, you got to play with your psychology, right? My psychology does not do well. Having already gone down 15 pips to watch come back to zero, right? It just doesn't do well. It messes with my head. So I just take quick profits. Now, this should continue going down. But we you know, honestly, it should close. It needs to close out here. Then you have a lot more confidence to take the retest down. Gracias, Mercedes. Te lo agradezco. And here's another challenge, or I want to say it this way for those of you who are learning to trade. These kind of impulse moves are dangerous moves until you learn the rhythm of your pair and can time it. Because again, it's at support. You're taking a sell at support, okay? Taking a sell support as it is breaking support. Yeah, it's scary. It's dangerous. It's quick. This little trade I just did would have been about 3K to J, you know, because it was lot size. So just to give you perspective, because a lot of you are on TTA, but preferably you catch it up here, right? Somewhere in here, right here, as it's turning red to come down. And then you're in ease, you're chill all the way down here. Then it doesn't really matter what happens here. You're already in a big profit. And so you take your partials, you leave a small piece running, and then you're stress-free here. But if you're gonna scalp this, you gotta be quick. You don't want these up and downs. You know, this, again, it's a support. So it could create a nice little morning star here and start pushing up. So that's why I like what Josh is doing. I also love my reversal strategy, my fake out strategy, because again, it gives me an opportunity to catch up here. But then of course I got other tools in my belt, like the breakout, like it just happened, and the break and retest, which hasn't happened. So, you know, the more tools in your belt you got, the better it is for you, the more you can trade. But in the beginning, just focus on one thing, focus on one strategy that you do over and over and over and over and over until you perfect it. You know, after you got that, then you add something else. For me, it was a retest, right? I got the retest down. Then after I got the retest, the breakout came naturally. Then somewhere in there, because I was still trying to figure out the breakout, I found the fake out. So once I found the fake out, that made it easier for me, because now I have no stress at all about catching the breakout, because oh, there he goes, it's trying to take you out, trying to take you out, trying to take you out. Because my stop losses are so tight, so I have no stress. Yep. And one more time, in case somebody's here who's not on our team, there's the affiliate link. So you can join our team, where we have great value. We take care of our peeps. We answer questions. Mentors are available to answer your questions directly. You have availability to do one-on-one for an extra fee. You've got an availability to do one-on-one. But mentors, you do not have to be on the team to get a one-on-one. As long as you pay through the website, you're good, and you can have a one-on-one with any of the mentors. And this is gonna be it for me, guys. I just want to see the 9:30 reaction. I should already be done, really. Well, I'm done. I mean, I'm not doing anything else. In fact, I'm gonna close my terminal right now. Boom. Now, no temptation to enter into something else. Let's look back at GU. Of course, GU is dropping. What else is it gonna do? It's on supply. Yeah, look at that beautiful 4-hour candle close. Right? Yeah, what else is it gonna do? That should be for you guys 12 pips already. Nice. The Dixie pushed up. Trying to figure itself out here in just a minute. While it's figuring itself out, gold might take out sell positions. Still hasn't, but it might gather some liquidity here and then go, or just go up completely. God bless you, Walter. Have a great day. Yep. Oh, there it goes. So it would have taken us out. It would have taken me out had I held on to that. Guess I should really put it like this. Since we won. So check it out, right? Check it out. Made money on a candle that went against me. Made money on a candle that went against me. Following price action. So good to learn it. I think it's still coming down. The second half of the 9 o'clock candle. I still think it's coming down. But there's nothing else for me to do. I conquered the day. I don't know what time my wife leaves. I don't want, I think I should just call it a day so I can say goodbye to her. I think I might do that. I think I will do that, guys. My wife is getting ready to go to work, so I'm gonna shut it down so I can say a proper goodbye to my wife. Okay, guys, appreciate you being here this morning. Hope you got a lot of value from the broadcast, and if so, please like, comment also on the video. That also helps let people know that I'm here in the mornings, and spread the word. It is Friday. Remember, don't trade or put yourself at risk unnecessarily. If you already won your day, keep your profits. Again, it's not so great going into the weekend after you have experienced a loss. Not good, not a good feeling. Waiting a weekend until Monday comes to trade again. So we don't trade large sizes on Friday. I don't trade large sizes on Friday, and I don't do unnecessary risks. So once I got money in the bag, it's over. That's what we're doing today. So take care, guys. All right. God bless you. Bye-bye.